Welcome to We Freeze Dry, and hopefully welcome back. On this great episode, we're going to, we're going to be freeze drying the 5 cheese tortellini and this ricotta and spinach ravioli. And in the end, we'll find out if these really do taste any good freeze dried. Ravioli. I have done a previous video on solely on ravioli, but I wanted to try this one because the other ones that we tried on the other episode, you can probably, at the end, I'll link that video. But these raviolis, if you can't see it, they're much smaller. And I just want to see how they work and see if the size, larger ones being more difficult versus, the smaller ones like here. So, and also, as per the other video, we're going to cook half and freeze dry the other half, freeze the other half not uncooked. So we're gonna test to see which way, reconstitutes back better. And we're also gonna try them just freeze dried, in its freeze dried state to see if they can be a tasty snack. So let's get to preparing these and we'll see you in a second. Okay, here we have our first tray. These are the 2 of them that are going to go into the freezer, and these are the uncooked. Just thought I'd give you a look. Okay, so the cycle is complete. Just gonna take out our ravioli and tortellini, tortellini. The cooked one you see there, and this was are non-cooked. Yeah. It's curious, I'm gonna break one of these open just to see what it looks like. And it totally shatters. Let's try one of these. Same thing, just totally shatters. I know I'm making a mess, but then that means that the cooked ones are definitely, yeah, they're so light. I'll leave that mess there. Hey, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and then next time we see it, we're going to be doing the reconstituting of the cooked and the uncooked ravioli and tortellini. Now we're ready to start to attempt to rehydrate the cooked and uncooked ravioli and tortellini. What I've done, I've actually put on a sticky tape which side you can't see. There's a little divider in here. So I've got both items, the tortellini and the ravioli, the cooked stuff on the one side and then the uncooked on the other side. And as per my knowledge from a previous ravioli video I did, I realized I needed to soak these overnight. So that's what we're going to do this time. So that's why we put it all here. I'm going to let them sit in water. So here, and then what we'll do is we'll pop them in the fridge, and next time you see them, they'll be soaking in this for over 24 hours. All right, here we are. So it's been 24 hours that we've had the ravioli and the tortellini sitting in water, rehydrating in the fridge. I'm gonna quickly give you a little bit of camera up there. The cooked ones are here and the uncooked is here. Just as I'm looking at them, I have to say, here's an example. So this is a cooked tortellini and really still intact, where you can't really see it, but the uncooked, very brittle. So observation-wise from the start, how about the ravioli? Again, intact. Why the uncooked side seems a little bit more brittle and didn't hold its form. Okay, and so the reason we got all these plates here, probably got more than I need, but we're gonna heat up just in the microwave some of the already cooked tortellini and the ravioli, and then we're gonna have on the uncooked side, we're going to try two methods. We're going to have steamed and boiled. Let's get all this done, and we'll do some tasting. All right, so here we have the cooked versus the uncooked. Okay, we did the same testing. So this one here is the boiled, steamed, and just microwaved on the cooked side. As you can see, the boiled, it always has difficulty, sorry, some water dropping out there, difficulty holding its shape, especially the ravioli. The tortellini, I have to say, did stand up, at least one or two of them. The steamed, they did a better job at holding their shape. The ravioli was already damaged when going in, but look at here, this is the condition of the tortellini from the cooked and from the cooked ravioli. So let's start doing a couple taste tests. I mean, I have to say it's definitely going to be the cooked tortellini. Held its shape better. They both have decent texture. I have to say all of them have decent texture from from non-freeze dried pasta. That's 100%. So that's definitely on all three ways going to be a win there. On the side of that, the texture, the taste of it is pretty good. It's just down to a lot of it down to how it lasted when it was freeze dried. Like the majority of the non-cooked ones didn't seem to stand up with the freeze drying as well as the cooked versions. Especially that's on the tortellini. The ravioli, and in a past video that I've done, again, I'll put the link here. Again, ravioli didn't do well in all instances, but that's why I would look probably to do the cooked tortellini, doing that for long-term storage, because you definitely could get a good meal out of that. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually, because this is not really how I think I would eat it, but like, why not? Like, we've got to try it out. So now when we come back, we're gonna try eating the freeze-dried product as a freeze-dried snack. Right, so here we're back for the final test. Some might say this should have been done before the reconstituting, but this is how it's gone. This is where we're testing how the ravioli and the tortellini taste just freeze-dried. Do you think it actually is going to be a good snack, just freeze-dried, like a cracker, say? Tell me your thoughts. Drop it in the comments. And before we get to the taste test, hey, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. We're trying to put new videos out weekly, maybe bi-weekly in some cases, but I'm going to try my best to get it weekly. Also, hey, like the video if you do like it, share. And do always put comments in, see what you want me to do next. But hey, again, just thank you for getting to this point in the video. So here, let's check out these two things. There's tortellini, so we got them all in their Mylar bags. I'm just gonna cut it up as high as I can because I'm gonna reseal it. Obviously, I only want to use one thing, and here's the ravioli. There we are, to cut this, so it's got nothing. As you can see, I'm just gonna pull one out. We're gonna do this, oops. Nicely sealed, oops. And they're still really, really good. It's been here about over a week or so. So here we're gonna go. We're gonna try the ravioli first. So this is a spinach and cheese ravioli. To be honest, I mean, they're good. You definitely, if you're gonna eat these as a snack and have multiple ones, you definitely need to have some sort of drink, like some water or something, you know, to like just wash them down. But they're definitely not bad. And so if you were going hiking or something like that and you want to eat these, I definitely see that they're good. And let's try the tortellini. This is the 4 cheese. Oops. Same. I mean, I knew that once I tasted the other one. It's just a tortellini, ravioli filled things. They're pasta with fillings. Just different. Slightly different. But yeah, I mean, my opinion, you definitely could eat these as snacks. They're pretty good, actually. Hey, if you haven't already done so, you got a freeze dryer. Try them out yourself and let me know what your results were. Drop it in the comments. Hey, I just truly want to thank you for staying to the end of the video. Hey, if you haven't checked out some of my other videos, check them out. Like I said, you know, tell me in the comments about other things you'd like to see freeze dried. And again, I just want to thank you, and we'll see you next time on We Freeze Dry It.